we are back with the next design style, and that is minimalist interior style. But what exactly this minimalist style mean, and how do you maintain it? To get you inspired, we are sharing essential techniques to make this style work as the best interior design style. So let's start. Less is more. This mantra is given by legendary architect Mike Vandero for the minimalist design. Minimalist interiors almost never go out of style when done well. It is an exercise in restraint where space, lighting, and objects all play equally important role. If you truly want to embrace the minimalist design, these needs to be clear. Ask yourself what can be eliminated, what can be stored out of sight, and what items are not essential. Then organize according to priority. If we talk about materials, then glass, wood, marble, concrete, metal, stone, these are some materials which are used in it. Color palette, monochromatic, but more emphasis on white, black, and grey tones. Furniture, simple, functional, geometric forms, curves in furniture are used. So let's see some of the examples of interiors in minimalist style. So here they are, some examples. Minimalist ideas are great for making small spaces appear larger. Because the minimalist interior design is all about the beauty of the refined and the well judged. You can save on bringing in too many furnishing and features that you simply don't need. That's why minimalist architecture can sometimes be cost effective and eco friendly also. Everything has a place and a purpose. Use of space and natural light, spotlight on craftsmanship. Walls can be decorated with a couple of minimalist paintings. The design is characterized by flat reflective surfaces. Instead of curtains, horizontal or vertical blinds are used. We can say that furniture and objects in this majorly features clean, defined lines and curves as well as flat surfaces. You can make things interesting by using different textures also. Leave your windows simple and let the light pour in. It would significantly add to the minimalist style. Having a minimalist interior doesn't mean that you don't does not use bright colors. Use bright colors, but for in cushions, in furniture, in decorative elements, etc. Having a minimalist interior means you need to say goodbye to clutter. Display only essential and store rest in cabinets. Keep the items that bring you joy or positive emotions when you look at them, like beautiful paintings, art, comfortable lounge, indoor plants, and enjoy your new lifestyle. So let's understand more to the example of residence interiors. First one is like walls. If we talk about walls, finishing with textured plaster, white glossy tiles, paint and wallpapering is allowed. Next we move to ceiling. Ceiling in minimalist style should not burden the interior and should not be look bulky. It is best to paint it in a light color. Next is the kitchen. A kitchen designed in the spirit of minimalism should breathe cleanliness and order. Declutter as much as possible. Invest in stylish storage to keep with design style. Let's take an example. The choice of white kitchen with the wine red shade give the impression of lot more space while staying stylish, and also the lack of handles on cabinets also soothing to the eye. Next is the bathrooms in the minimalist style. The interior of bathroom fixtures are restrained. The style does not tolerate the presence of more than two primary colors. You can go with the like beige bath and brown finish and so on. Also, flooring should not be full of textures in bathrooms. It should be like waterproof laminate or put simple tiles. Also, minimal bathtub should be of simple geometric forms, मतलब in a geometric shape without unnecessary details. Looks the bathroom more spacious and looks larger. Next is the living area. The interior design of the living room in the style of minimalism should be thought out to the smallest detail. Large windows provide plenty of light, making your living room more visually large. TV is better to install on the wall, while cabinets should be built in. Furniture of the for the living room should have geometric shapes and it should look smooth. Choose a few items of simple and concise form. Keep only functional items on the table and surfaces. If you correctly select all these decor details, you get a room where there is a lot of space, light, and air. Next is the bedroom in minimalist style. The perfect design of the bedroom involves a spacious room in which there is a lot of sunlight. It is advisable to choose calm and warm shades. You can go with the combinations like grey and white, beige and warm white shade. You can put a solid carpet on the floors. If we think like what to do with the cabinets in bedroom, then a simple cabinet that can be built into the wall in itself or also attached to the wall, it is excellent. If the cabinets and furniture seem to merge with the ceiling and walls, that creates a feeling of free space. And the last is floor. If we talk about the flooring in minimalist style, then the flooring without a pattern in natural color should be used. Several flooring options are available, like laminate, polymer coating, paraquat, plain carpets are used. Different rooms allow different flooring, but bedroom will look comfortable if we go with the carpet. Thanks. So this is all about minimalist interior style. Wait for the next design style. Till then, follow Kunj Architects and keep healthy and stay safe. Thank you.